Hello traders, Pat Alexander from Trading Academy, and today I will share with you one of my best forex trading strategies for euro dollar that I'm currently using by the time I'm recording this video. So stay with me to learn easy and simple strategy for euro dollar. Welcome to the Trading Academy's channel. In today's video I will share with you one of my strategies for euro dollar that applies on H1 chart. I have the MetaTrader 4 installed by Black Bull Markets, which is a regulated broker. From the trusted brokers page we have in the academy, so if you have hard times finding a broker, check out the link below the video. And keep in mind that you can test or apply or use this best forex trading strategy for euro dollar that I'm using currently and brings me most of the profits. You can apply on any trading platform, not necessarily on MetaTrader 4. Alright, so first things first, I will add the indicators on the chart. I'll be using a trend indicator moving average with period of 7. I will click on OK, here it is. I will add one more moving average with a period of 50 and I will change the color so it will be more visual, here it is. And as well I will add the indicator CCI, which you can find in the oscillators, commodity channel index, here it is. And I will stick to period of 5 and I will click on OK so it displays below the chart. And I will need here one horizontal line which will be sitting at the 0 line. Let me put it precisely. If you can't, you can just right click on the horizontal line properties, and in the parameters you can put 0 and click on OK and it will stick to the 0. Okay, so these are the indicators that we use for entry, and the signal comes whenever we have the CCI crossing the 0 line upwards. So we buy when the CCI cross the 0 line upwards. So here is a signal, there is another one here, over here, and right here, and you can see many other signals out there. And probably you will say, alright, but many of those will be bad entries because, for example, the last one over here, if we buy, the market goes against us. And you're right, but that's why we use the moving averages to confirm the direction, okay? So we will be buying only when the fast moving average is above the slow moving average, and in this case the recent examples from Friday, because today is Saturday, taking my time to record videos, you will see that the market was going down, the fast moving average is below the slow, so we don't have the confirmation to buy. Now if I move the chart a little bit earlier, you will see how nicely it works when we have the fast moving average above the slow moving average. So in this period of time, from this point up until that point, we have the confirmation to buy, and the first signal comes right over here at about 118.42. Okay, this is when we have the confirmation on the opening of this bar. We have a clear cross, and on the opening of this bar at 118, what is the opening? I can put the mouse on the closing of the candlestick. You will see that the open price is 118.42. And the same thing applies on the other side. We would be selling only when the fast moving average is below the slow moving average. So in this example, from that point up until the Friday close, we have the confirmation to sell. So every time when the CCI period 5 crosses the 0 line downwards, we have this signal to sell. Now what is my exit? For this strategy, which I said is probably the best forex trading strategy for euro dollar that I'm using currently, I will insert one more indicator called the Bollinger Bands, and it is available actually in the trend indicators, Bollinger Bands, here it is. And as period I will be using 23, as deviation I will be using 2.3 and I will click on OK. So the Bollinger Bands are displayed with 3 lines. One goes as a moving average in the middle, and we have one line above the price and we have one line below the price. So the exit rule here says that we will exit the trades whenever we have a bar opening above the upper band. And in this case, I just picked this example randomly, honestly, but in this case it worked really nice. You can see where the exit is, right on the top of the move. Okay, we have a bar that opened above the upper band of the Bollinger Bands, and we should be exiting. So with this example, we should be entering at 118.42 and we should be taking the profit at 119.05. Then you can see that with this short example right here, we have the sell. The first sell actually would be that one, and we have the entry at 118.65, so we are selling it at the moment. And the bar that opens below the lower band of the Bollinger Bands is this one over here, 117.83. Not a bad trade. Okay, this is the first bar that opens below the lower band. As well, this strategy uses stop loss and a take profit. Stop loss of 50 and take profit of 70 pips, but it's a personal choice if you want to use them. I personally use them. Okay, so for example, if our entry is at 118.42, stop loss of 50 would be 117.92, right? 117.92, somewhere over here. Okay, and our take profit would be 70 pips higher. So we said that the opening of this bar is 118.42 plus 70 pips, that would be 119.12. okay, 119.12, and here it is. Okay, so almost the take profit was reached, but in this case the exit condition of the strategy applies. Alright guys, so this is the best forex trading strategy for euro dollar that I'm currently using, and it's super easy to apply it. All you need to do is test it with a broker like Black Bull Markets, which is a trusted broker, as I said. Check out the link below. And what I want to show you at the end is how do I know if that strategy works. Well, I use the strategy builder on our website at etradingacademy.com, where I see a precise backtest of the strategy. So here are the conditions, just what I said, the CCI, the moving average crossover, the Bollinger Bands, and we have the stop loss and the take profit. So if you are trading the strategy with 0.1 of a lot, you will see that it brings really decent profit, and I have a lot more tools in this professional software, but the strategy is exactly what I explained. And actually in the course I have included a free expert advisor for MetaTrader 4 and for MetaTrader 5. If you wish to trade this strategy automatically, check out one more time the links below in the description. Alright guys, so it's super simple strategy. If you wish to apply it manually, you don't need to do anything else rather than watching this video once again. And if you have any questions, let me know one more time in the comments below. I'll be super happy to answer you. If you have found the strategy useful, huge thumb up to support the channel, and I will see you guys in another video. You take care and enjoy trading.